Going to leave the train station from Philly right now. So excited! It feels like Madison Square Park. You know,
yeah, I was thinking
the park
that or
that
Washington.
Yeah.
Washington Square. So yeah, farmers markets, there's performers that come around here. Michael Jackson's one of them.
Cool.
There's Elvis one. Just depending on your time of day. At night, there's cute sparkly lights.
That is such an underwhelming statue. Look how small that statue is. It's cute, right? But you would think it'd be like
Massive,
a
yeah.
grand statue.
There's a couple other ones.
Taking our guesses. Let's see who the statue
Jefferson.
is.
The hair looks like Jefferson.
I think it's Jefferson.
It's Barry.
Hi, Barry. Thank you for your services.
Are you Thomas's cousin?
Who's Barry?
Everyone gets Ben Franklin. It's Robert Morris. Thank you.
Never guessing again.
Tell me you just
Who's Robert Morris and who is Barry?
Put Ben Franklin right next to him. Couldn't tell the difference.
Thank you for Pennsylvania, William Penn. Oh my gosh. That looks so good.
Why is ours no cheese? It's not for yours.
Ours is in there. Sriracha aioli. Aioli.
Inside Wawa,
Get water bottle left. I think I'm okay.
but it's not like Buc-ee's, don't you know?
Hey, the top was only $1.50.
They're already going at it over here. Hi.
Thank you.
Yum.
Okay, we have hearts. Bum, bum. The right atrium is where the process begins. Where does CO2 blend? If there's a heart.
Oh my god, those are hearts.
Is that scope?
Through the tricuspid valve to the right ventricle to the pulmonary arteries and then it comes back to the. Oh, I forgot the song. I had hearts before.
Oh.
I had it improved.
But how
It makes
is
sense though, because it's like muscle.
How is it
So it's just
though?
like muscle.
Oh, good.
$15.
Chicken filled with-
Stuffed with
Vegetables. Vegetables?
Yeah, with the vegetable seasoning. It's good.
cheese?
Oh, real good.
Good? Huh? Noodles? We're going to the Philly subway. Our first time on the Philadelphia subway. Can we do Apple Pay? Tap here. I'm gonna try. Wow.
Ours not having any luck today.
But it's filled, right?
It is. I just put 20 on it.
Please, Metro card. Daniel, where are we?
We're in Center City. That's a compass on the floor, so it shows the literal center of the city.
Daniel, where are we?
We're in Independence Hall, Liberty Bell.
Independence Hall. Mark and I have been to Philly once before. Passed by the Liberty Bell. There was a line. Today, there's an even longer line. So, no Liberty Bell for us.
This is as close as we want.
That's pretty cool.
Okay, Dan, so where are we?
Cherry Tree Pier.
Tell us about it, please.
They have like art vendors.
It used to be a train station.
There's oh yeah, it used to be a train station.
There's train tracks.
I don't really like being a main character.
There's train tracks.
Could I just be a background person?
Tell us more.
Nope, I don't want to.
You're just smiling.
Is this what it's like to be on reality TV? Because I don't like it.
We'll come back for you, Andy.
We'll come back for you, Andy.
Look at them. Pre-stretching. Rocky. Rocky style.
I'm on a head start.
On your mark. Get set. Go! Daniel won. Mark really wanted to go all the way up with his Brompton and pose carrying his bike over his head. Do-do-do. Do-do-do.
It's cool, actually.
You feel powerful?
Yeah. It's nice.
I was just afraid I was gonna trip.
How was
the
it?
fastest run of my life. At one point, stairs were just blurred.
She got a head start.
I said, lift those feet.
She got 3, 2, 1. She went up 3.
Get set. Go! Go!
I was like, what the heck is that?
That's hard. It's funny that everyone's doing it.
Bless you.
Bless you. We are going to take the Philly City bikes to Fairmount Park.
Yes.
We're going to go into MLK Drive. On weekends, apparently in Philly, they close the roads to allow bikers to ride freely on that road. So we're going to go to Fairmount Park to go to a free
Everybody ignored me. I'm a bicycle.
free concert. They close this whole entire road, everybody. Crazy. Look at her turning circles on the road.
All to ourselves.
Woohoo! Woohoo! She's trying to catch up. Say hi, everyone. Yay! Mark.
Wait.
You're missing a moment.
Wait, I don't know how.
He didn't do it. He didn't get it.